Hi guys, I made another purchase from DIOR, small one, but I couldn't resist it. Finally, I don't know if you saw it or not, they launched hand cream. Start first with the cream here, and I have another mini. It's the same 001 because I use them a lot in my purses. Yep, it's the pink one, and I am so and this one again. Okay, I ordered two, guys, because I'm afraid it will be sold out. Of course, here is the graph paper here. I love the packaging, it's beautiful. And this is what I bought. They made it like Chanel. Let me open. I bought two. Beautiful. And it's a matte finishing, and it's open like that. Smell good. Well, actually there is no this. It should be made or supposed to be for everything: hands, lips, face. Doesn't have smell, actually very light, surprisingly. It's beautiful. See what I'm talking about? Chanel. This Chanel egg, we call it Chanel egg, and this is DIOR. Yep. Beautiful. And this is, it's the same 50 milli, 1.7 ounces. It's the same product. So cute. But this one, it's flat. This one, actually, this is better to be in the purse. I love both. Beautiful. That's it. I couldn't wait. I ordered another one too. It's nice packaging too. It's called Le Baume, Mains, Lèvres, Corps, hands, lips, and body. Yeah, it's a quick one today, guys, but I wanted to share with you what I bought because I want to open it. Yeah, I love it. I love it. An easy open like that. Squeeze here. Yeah, beautiful. I love it. Bye.